Benefits of intermittent fasting. Is it right for you? Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Health. Intermittent fasting has become a popular trend in the health and fitness world, but is it really worth the hype? Today we are going to dive into the benefits of intermittent fasting and help you decide if it's the right approach for you. Let's get started. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting, or IF, isn't about what you eat, but rather when you eat. It's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of fasting and eating. The most common methods include the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2 days. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet in the traditional sense, it's more of an eating pattern. The idea is to give your body a break from constant eating, allowing it to focus on repair and recovery rather than digestion. Benefit number 1. Weight loss and fat loss. One of the most talked about benefits of intermittent fasting is its potential for weight loss. By reducing the eating window, you naturally consume fewer calories. Additionally, fasting periods can increase your metabolic rate, helping you burn more calories. If you're looking to shed some pounds, intermittent fasting could be a helpful tool. It encourages your body to use stored fat as energy, which can lead to weight loss over time. However, it's important to combine fasting with a balanced diet for the best results. Benefit number 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for managing blood sugar level. By giving your body time to process the food you eat, fasting helps reduce insulin resistance, lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. Better insulin sensitivity means your body can use glucose more effectively, keeping your blood sugar level stable. This is especially beneficial for those at risk of or currently managing diabetes. Benefit number 3. Enhanced brain function. Fasting isn't just good for your body, it's good for your brain too. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting can improve cognitive function, enhance memory, and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. When you fast, your body produces brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF), a protein that promotes the growth of new neurons and enhances brain function. So not only might you feel more alert, but you could also be protecting your brain for the future. During fasting, your body initiates a process called autophagy, where it removes damaged cells and regenerates new ones. This process helps slow down aging and reduces the risk of various diseases, potentially leading to a longer, healthier life. Autophagy is like a natural detox for your cells. By giving your body time to repair itself, intermittent fasting may help you live a longer, healthier life. It's like a reset button for your body. Benefit number 5. Simplified eating routine. One of the often overlooked benefits of intermittent fasting is its simplicity. With fewer meals to plan and prepare, you can save time and reduce the stress of constantly thinking about food. Intermittent fasting can simplify your life. You don't have to worry about eating every few hours, which can be a relief for those with busy schedules. Plus, it can help you develop a healthier relationship with food by reducing the focus on constant eating. Is intermittent fasting right for you? While intermittent fasting offers many benefits, it's not for everyone. It's important to consider your lifestyle, health conditions, and personal preferences. If you are pregnant, have a history of eating disorders, or suffer from chronic illnesses, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before trying intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool for some, but it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. Listen to your body and make sure it aligns with your health goals and needs. If you are unsure, talk to a healthcare professional who can guide you in the right direction. So, is intermittent fasting right for you? It has its benefits, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Daily Health, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, and share.